Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chung. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a live SEO report which you can send to your clients, send to your partners, whoever that associate with your project to see the live report without you update it by yourself. How does it do it? We talk about 100% free, we talk about easy to use, we talk about less than 5 minutes setup. You're right. Let's use Google Data Studio. For those who never heard about it, Google Data Studio is amazing tools for you to integrate with a lot of services to pull out the data and create a live report on the go. So why not? Let me show you how to do it in 5 minutes. So I already mentioned just now how to use Google Data Studio to create a live SEO report. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, to create a live SEO report is no longer a dream and can be easily done using Google Data Studio. Yeah, I've been repeat 3 times, right? Important stuff I have to repeat 3 times. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, and of course, very beginning, go to Google search for Google Studio or Studio Google. I'm sure you can get after the advertisement, okay, for this guy, Google Data Studio. Okay, just click on it, you shall see something similar as here. If you are first time here, definitely you don't have any Google Sheets down there. Okay, I'm not gonna show you. Okay, yeah. Here you can choose to pull the data from different stuff. Okay, we're talking about using a template clearly to kick off your report. So you can pull from Google Analytics, you can pull from Google Sheets, you can pull from YouTube Analytics, as well as you can pull from Google Ads, Search Console, and so on. Okay, there are many. Okay, it's not restricted by just here, because this is just a template gallery, and definitely you can do a lot more stuff. But today I'm going to share with you the simplest one, which most of you already know, Google Analytics, and we're going to pull in the user behavior. So we talk about audience. Okay, why not with today's, let's pick audience as example. Okay, so let's click this guy. You shall see the whole report is already there. Okay, it's already here, right? Okay, so why not we do it this way? We click this guy called Use Template on the right top. You click on the Use Template, and I'm going to pull the source. Okay, so the original source and the new source. So if you need a new source, it's very simple. Here you can see that I put in some, So you just click this guy called Create Data Source. Click it. You actually pop up into all the sources that you can connect with. It's very simple. Just click on the Google Analytics, since now we are talking about Google Analytics, right? And of course, like I mentioned just now, it's not restricted to just the few services. You can even do Facebook page insights. There are many more, but some of them might need to be some of them might be paid service. So let's talk about the free one, which is the Google Analytics. Then let's do this. When you click here you can choose the account that you created, and for tools, if you do know how to connect your domain name to the Google Analytics as well as Google Search Console, you can refer to my channel and search for the other video. If you already done that, let's say I'm choose this my company account, and I'm going to choose let's say I'm going to search it. One of my brand that I've been working on recently is called MyWinNet. I'm going to click it. Yep, I'm going to pull this data, okay, and connect. So once you connect it, it's actually, do you believe it, just like that, the magic is happening. And most importantly is you can share out this report link to whoever that you want for them to view it directly, and it's a live updating, which is we're talking about every 12 hours it will be updated once if you look at this site. So of course the limitation for free is you cannot pull in too much. Okay, for me, I'm not going to touch anything here, okay, unless you know what you're doing. If I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to click add to report. That's it. Do you believe that? That's it. Okay. By the way, like I mentioned just now, I'm going to stick with the 12 hours because the more frequent you pull the data, actually is going to have slow performance as well as increase the query cost if you paid for the service. For now, I think 12 hours is more than enough because every day we update twice, so that is the best thing. I'm going to set data freshness and just like that. It's supposed to be updated in shots. Okay, let me see. Nope. Okay, let me try one more time. Yep, it's here. Copy report. Just wait for a few seconds for the magic to be done, and of course we are talking about this is template based, so you don't need to worry about editing anything. All you need to do is just integrate with the services that you want and let the magic, let the tools of the Google Data Studio to pull the data for you. So this is the report I already put in. I managed to see like how many users over the past about 1 month, how many sessions, how many new users and returning, and so on, and it's going to show you the breakdown and so on. So this is live, ladies and gentlemen. So you're going to click this guy, share. Okay, you want to get a report link. So whoever have this link, they can view your report. Okay, so let me see. Copy link. I'm going to open up this incognito mode. I'm going to paste the link here and then enter. So what you're going to see is exactly, okay, you need a Google account to view it because you're going to track like who is going to so on, right? But you can also do this. I'm going to put manage access. Anyone on the internet can find and view. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put in anyone with the link can view here. Okay, then I'm going to copy it and save. So now I changed the access already with this link. Definitely whoever have this link managed to view how does my winnet.com perform in real time. And we're talking about there's no cheating, right? Because you integrate with Google Analytics directly. So for example, I want to put in just January until now, which is about 2 months. Apply. Yeah, we're talking about a live interactive report right away within 5 minutes. So if you feel this is amazing, yes, I know. It's not by me, okay? It's by Google Data Studio. And for those of you, if you don't know, you can do this. Okay. So of course, if you come back to this editor mode, you can, you can change the title. For example, this is I'm going to edit it. I click edit. I'm going to change the title like mywinnet.com. mywinnet.com. Google Analytics Audience Overview. Then I'm going to resize it. You can do a lot of editing here. But of course, if you do know what you're doing, then be very careful when you're dealing with these elements here. Basically, this is like a pivot chart, pivot table that from Excel. That is quite similar to that. And one thing for sure is Google Data Studio is just like all the Google services that you've been used, like Google Docs, Google Sheets in your website is autosave. And I'm going to put the name. I'm going to put the name so that I wouldn't forget. Okay, it's done, and then voila. Okay, I already shared with you how to use Google Data Studio to create a live interactive SEO report for it. Especially you can pull data from Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google Ads, and many more. and we're talking about using the template that already built up, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. So that's the easy part, right? Okay, if you like this video and you found it useful, please now do me a favor by support and click a like, subscribe to my channel, as well as put a ring so that you get notified whenever I upload such tutorial and tips video. And of course, every Wednesday at 15 PM UTC+8, I will be live for 30 minutes to discuss about the latest IT trends. So hope to see you again on next Wednesday at 15 PM. And once again, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.